Hey there, do-it-yourself technicians. Today, I want to talk to you about VPNs, virtual private networks. A VPN is a network that takes your computer and places it in another network. How a VPN works is by simply gathering up all of your packets just before you send them out to the network, and then pushing them through a tunnel to the other end of the VPN where they appear out on the internet as if they're coming from that location. Now, this is what I actually have mixed feelings about. It's technology, it's a tool, but it can be used for good or evil. I mean, it's great for privacy. If you're in a coffee shop and using unprotected Wi-Fi, then it's theoretically possible for anybody sitting in that coffee shop to sniff all of your network traffic, capture all of your passwords, and find out exactly what you're doing. Not a good thing. VPNs are also used to get around the Great Firewall of China. Now, this could be a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, it's technically illegal in China, but it's their country and they can kind of decide the rules. But it's also good for freedom. You can use it to hide Bittorrent. Now, Bittorrent on its own is not a bad technology, but often it's used for stealing of copyrighted material. Again, not getting into the politics or anything, just stating facts. It can also be used to circumvent some of the country-based features of things like Netflix. If your VPN terminates in the US, then Netflix will think you're coming from the US and therefore give you access to all of the US content, which technically you're not supposed to have here in Australia. Again, it's political and I'm not getting into that, but it's certainly a grey area of the law. One of the ways it affects me is with kids using it at school. It's effectively making their computer part of the global internet without going through any of the school's filtering. Unfortunately, it also stops them using things local to the school network. You can't print to one of the school printers if your computer is technically or technologically in a completely different country that doesn't have access to any of our printers. You have to be connected to and stay on the local school network in order to be able to use those facilities. On the flip side, for work, it's sometimes really handy for your home laptop to become part of the work network using a VPN. That way you can use facilities local to the office that you can't technically access from home. I can use a VPN to connect to my work network and then print to one of the local printers. Like I said, it's one of those things where it can be used for good or for evil, and lots of areas in between. In many ways, I prefer a world of transparency, but that's not how it is, and we just have to live with that. But the technology exists, so I thought you should know about it, and know what it is, and a little bit of how it works. In fact, it's even built into many internet security suites, although usually only with fairly limited features. Question of the day: do you use a VPN? Let me know in the comments down below. I won't judge, I promise. And if you found this episode useful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. The Tech Doctor exists to help you become your own technician, learn about the technology, protect yourself from the bad guys, and fix it when it breaks. There's some older episodes you may not have seen before here and here, and you can subscribe to the channel by clicking down here, or to our newsletter by clicking up here. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next episode.